Welcome back everyone to Pontus Fathom Hobbies. I've got the Winterfell Guards Song of Ice and Fire here. I just picked these up at Hammer House in Singapore. Comes with 13 minis, an attachment card, a unit card, and the movement tray. Stark Army, so let's kind of unbox these. We'll do a miniature review. Of course, the box art is amazing. I was looking at getting the Lannister City Watch or something like that, Lannister Guardsman or something like that, but I went for these. They're all kind of gimmicky, but so we've got the cards in Chinese and English. It's kind of cool. These are the Winterfell Champion and the Winterfell Guard, and this is cool. I believe they all have helms except for the Champion. So if you look at the Winterfell Champion, he doesn't have the helmet. His power is Winterfell's Wrath. And then the Winterfell Guards, they've got the Winterfell Supplies and Improved Defenses, because these are kind of like defensive guys. It says, having loyally served the military for several decades, the Winterfell Guards are formed of veterans in their prime. They have served as the protectors of Winterfell for a time. They have chosen to continue their service from within the city's walls in their advanced years. However, in these days of war, they have been called upon yet again to march on the front lines once more. This is kind of like, it reminds me of the Night's Watch veterans, the veterans of the Night's Watch. Okay, so let's check these. So first we've got the Bannerman here. Nice banner here with the spear point, and again you can see these helms, cloak, and the fur in the back, just like the Stark starter set there. This is kind of cool. Myself a bunch of thumbnail options. So we've got this. This is our Winterfell Champion here without the helm. He's got this wolf cloak, perhaps. Is it a wolf cloak or is it feathers? Zoom in on that a little bit more here. It's got a lining that's smooth, so you can have the two-tone of the fur and then the liner, plus this great sword. Sword looks pretty cool. You've got some armored knee guards, this tunic, a pouch here as well. So a lot of nice fat details that'll be easy to sort of grab. Okay, so then we have the two versions of, so there's four different miniature types here in addition to the Winterfell Champion, the Bannerman. We've got this guy attacking with the sort of overhead two-handed sword strike. You can again see the same kind of angled guard. Similar here, see scabbard, a pouch, belt, cloth here. This is a smooth cloak with a hooded smooth cloak. And you can see the helmet, bearded fellow here. So there's two of these guys. And then we'll have three each of the rest of them. So then you have a, so that was the overhead strike. This is sort of the side overhead strike, like a baseball strike here, right? But again, you've got this also a short sword here, it looks like. And then where's the scabbard? Maybe they're not having a scabbard because it's a two-handed sword. Got the boots, and the tunic, the belt. No knee guards on these guys. And again, the cloak is smooth for this, but the fur top. Let's go zoom this guy in a little bit more. Some of those helmet details are pretty good. And gloves. The sword actually has some interesting work as well. You have these shoulder armor here. So that would be kind of nice. Again, the photo on the box kind of show. Actually, this photo is a good example of it. All right, so we have 3 of them, and then we'll have. This one looks like. Maybe it's this one here. It's a slightly reversed version of it, but this is already striking forward, like maybe lunging forward. Yeah, these will be great to paint up. Got the beards. Actually, they do have that kind of a shoulder and chest plate action, or upper chest plate. You can see it on the box art as well. Long dagger, I guess it would be. And there's 3 of these as well. But again, if you look at these with the box art, you can see that the hounds, kind of the perspective's a little weird on this one. But they look good. They've got these kind of semi-plated. Oh, is it? Do they have mail here? I didn't notice that that was mail. Let's check again. Is there mail on the side? I don't see mail on this guy. Maybe it's just the Winterfell champion has the mail. Oh yeah, the Winterfell champion has mail, but the other ones don't. It's only the Winterfell champion. You can see here he's got this mail on this picture as well as on this picture. There's the mail. They're definitely leather gloves as well. The gloves are leather. High gloves there. Okay, and then the last miniature here we've got is sort of like striking upward from a low position. So maybe this is mid-swing and he's gonna swing this upward. Pretty nice though. Okay, that's gonna do it for those. 3 of these as well. Show off the tray. These guys are quite formidable. I'm thinking right away of going back to basics with Stark versus Lannister, and then somehow having the city guards versus the Winterfell guards. That might be a good one to bring to the tabletop. What do you guys think?
If you'd like to support the channel, we've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out the 6 volumes of the Cat 2 journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, also available in the hardcover omnibus edition. We've got the Dirges of the Alabaster Kings, the Saturnalis Thralmorin, and the Lost Cypria, as well as our artificial psychoanalysis of desiring machines. Pick up our Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, as well as our Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamland Saga, of volume 1 of which is soon to be adapted into the Celophaeus comic book series. Go check out our Patreon for more details on that. Thank you all for your support. Check out the bookstore link in the description. Now back to the show.
Guys, thanks for watching. Check out the bookstore, check out the Patreon. I am going to rebox these, and if you guys like and subscribe, you can see when we get these on the tabletop. Looking forward to getting these. Or actually, we'll paint them first before we get them on the tabletop. So liking and subscribing gets you to see when we paint them and also when we play them. So I think because I'm reviewing them, I'll try to get these in the backlog queue quickly. But we do have tons of A Song of Ice and Fire content out there. If you want to go check out the channel, we've got maybe 20 plus seasons of Song of Ice and Fire battles, paint-throughs for most of box sets and miniatures. So guys, thanks for watching. We will see you on the tabletop. Talk to you soon. Take care.